Hey, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install Lippard's new Bluetooth remote keyless entry. Customer had the old style, it was the RV lock. And it just gets all worn down and beat up, so it's time to change it out. So first things first, we have Phillips. I use my gun or a Phillips head screwdriver. Usually start with these guys here. I don't know which one to call that. I think it's the striker plate. That's what holds it from going in and out. Now we just got to take these four guys off. This whole thing will pop right off, and we're in business. Should be ready to come right out. I'll take this guy off here. I'm going to unplug him. And we'll just kind of switch to the other side. Just got to kind of finagle him out of there. No. Yeah, that was too easy. And now we'll just clean the old inside of the door. Clean the outside of the door. Not sure if you can see it, but make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, look at the new one. And just want to kind of slide it in there, see if it lines up. Yeah, that slides in there pretty good. Now the new door is going to come with the new striker plate. I always try to change out the new parts, you know, if they work. So it came with it, why not use it? But, super secret trick, get all your screws blue Loctite. Now I'm a big fan of Loctite. The blue, I like the blue. The red, it's gonna be pretty much permanent. But the blue, it just seals it enough that as you're driving down the road, these things aren't gonna vibrate and loose on you. I mean, anything I install, I always put blue Loctite. Super secret trick. Okay, first I put the striker plate on. Going skinny side out. Take your time. RVs are an exercise in patience. Now, when you remove it, I'll use a gun. But for install, use a screwdriver, go by hand. That way the gun doesn't go too fast, you don't strip any screws, or God forbid, snap something off in there. Okay, get this guy on there. Unless you want them kind of loose, you can wiggle them around and finagle them. There's no such thing as an exact fit. Make sure you use the right screw heads too. Some are countersunk, well they're all countersunk. But some look a little different. So when in doubt, use the ones that look the same. Now we got our inner handle. That paddle has to catch on this guy. And we have to plug them in because this is where our batteries go for the keypad. So, if you follow along. Right into there. Oh, come on. Now that's kind of the tricky part. If you look at your deadbolt, it's gonna have that little D notch. So we just gotta line the flat spot on that guy with the flat spot on that guy. And if you have this guy, look on the outside of that guy, so our plunger goes in and out. So, and you gotta tuck the wire under here. Now from there, I get a little flashlight or a mini screwdriver to line up your screw holes. You gotta kind of squeeze the outside together with the inside. Or you get an itty bitty screwdriver here and line up one of the holes. Then we'll take our other guy, it's got blue Loctite on him. Now we get them started. Once you get them all in there, kind of snug them all down ever so lightly. Double, triple check, make sure everything works. Deadbolt goes in and out, cool. Oh, look at that, paddle works on the inside. Paddle works on the outside, it's a good sign. You always want to get the keys and make sure it works for locking the paddle, which is the top one, and make sure it works for the deadbolt, which is the bottom one. That looks nice. Okay, so from here, pull that out. It's got a QR code that you would scan, and that would show you how to program the wireless keypad. So that's going to be for my customers to do. But other than that, just got to make sure it opens and closes properly. So I might have a few minor adjustments. So let's go over here and check it out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Handle locks, call that good. Deadbolt, that locks, call that good. Okay, now when it comes to the striker plate, you can change it out, but for me, why mess with perfection? You know, I mean, it works good, it's in good shape, no need to mess with it. So, other than that, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video.